Part 1. Imagine a creature from a prehistoric world. One so utterly unique it looks like nature itself dared to sculpt a musical instrument onto its head. Meet Parasaurolophus walkeri, the magnificent near-crested lizard whose iconic cranial adornment has captivated paleontologists and dinosaur enthusiasts for decades. Living during the Late Cretaceous period, approximately 76 to 73 million years ago, this remarkable herbivore roamed the lush landscapes of what is now North America, leaving behind a legacy that speaks not just of its physical grandeur, but also of its surprisingly sophisticated social life. At first glance, it's the crest that dominates, rising elegantly from the back of its skull. This elongated, curved structure immediately brings to mind a giant question mark, a visual query etched in bone. Far from being a mere decorative flourish, the crest of Parasaurolophus was a marvel of biological engineering, integral to its survival and social interactions. Part 2. Unlike many other crested dinosaurs whose crests were solid, the Parasaurolophus crest was distinctly hollow, a complex network of internal passages extending from its nasal cavity. It was essentially a built-in resonating chamber, a prehistoric trombone designed for communication. Paleontologists, utilizing advanced imaging techniques like CT scans, have meticulously mapped these internal airways. The research suggests that air, when forced through these labyrinthine tubes, would have produced specific sounds. But what kind of sounds? The consensus points towards low-frequency vocalizations. This is a crucial detail. Part 3. Low-frequency sounds, often referred to as infrasound, travel further and are less distorted by environmental obstacles like dense forests, the very kind of habitat Parasaurolophus likely called home. Think of elephants today, which use infrasound to communicate across vast distances, through thick jungle, and even around obstacles that would block higher-pitched sounds. For a large, social animal like Parasaurolophus, such long-distance communication would have been invaluable. Imagine a herd foraging through a dense forest. Low-frequency calls could have kept individuals connected, warning of predators like Tyrannosaurus or Gorgosaurus, signaling the discovery of new food sources, or coordinating movement within the group. These calls might have been heard but not consciously perceived by other creatures. A constant, rumbling undercurrent in the ancient soundscape, fostering cohesion and safety within the herd. Part 4. It transformed the crest from a silent wonder into a window onto a rich, unseen world of dinosaur communication, challenging our perception of dinosaurs as merely roaring, primitive beasts. Parasaurolophus was not a solitary creature. Evidence strongly suggests it lived in herds, often alongside other types of hadrosaurs, its close relatives. This communal lifestyle offered significant advantages, from shared vigilance against predators to improved foraging efficiency. Within these bustling prehistoric communities, the distinct low-frequency calls of Parasaurolophus would have served as a unique identifier, allowing individuals to recognize their own kind amidst a cacophony of other dinosaurian sounds. The crest might have also served as a visual cue for species recognition, or even for sexual display, with perhaps larger or more brightly colored crests indicating healthier, more desirable mates, though the primary evidence points strongly to its acoustic function. Part 5. Beyond its extraordinary headpiece, Parasaurolophus was a formidable animal in its own right, measuring an impressive 9.5 meters, about 31 feet, in length and weighing approximately 2,500 kilograms, about 5,500 pounds. It was roughly the size of a modern-day rhinoceros, albeit much longer. As a dedicated herbivore, its duck-like bill was perfectly adapted for cropping vast quantities of plant material. From tough fibrous leaves to softer vegetation. Its powerful hind limbs suggest it could move bipedally when needed, perhaps to reach higher browse or to escape danger, but likely spent much of its time on all fours while grazing. A facultative biped like many other hadrosaurs. The habitat of Parasaurolophus in late Cretaceous North America was a dynamic and diverse ecosystem. Part 6. Lush. Subtropical forests dominated the landscape, crisscrossed by meandering rivers and vast wetlands. This was a world teeming with life, from towering conifers and flowering plants to a diverse array of other dinosaurs. Pterosaurs soaring overhead, and early mammals scurrying underfoot. In this vibrant environment, the asterisk Parasaurolophus played a crucial role as a primary consumer, shaping the vegetation and serving as a food source for the massive carnivores of its era. The discovery of Parasaurolophus walkeri in Alberta, Canada, in 1922 by a field party from the University of Toronto, marked a significant moment in paleontology. Its uniqueness immediately set it apart, sparking decades of scientific inquiry into the function of its extraordinary crest. Early theories ranged from a snorkel for underwater feeding, now largely disproven, to an air reservoir. Part 7. However, it is the vocalization hypothesis, bolstered by modern anatomical analysis and acoustic modeling, that has truly illuminated the fascinating capabilities of this ancient creature. In essence, Parasaurolophus stands as a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of evolution. It was not just a large plant eater. It was a sophisticated social animal, capable of intricate communication across its environment. Its question mark-shaped crest, far from being a mere aesthetic curiosity, was a bioacoustic marvel, enabling this magnificent dinosaur to orchestrate a prehistoric symphony, forging bonds and conveying messages across the ancient landscapes of North America. It invites us to listen closer, to imagine the unseen and unheard world of the dinosaurs, a world far richer and more complex than we once thought.